camera naman. Kaya nga ito.
Alright, are we on? Alright, this is the video here. I'm going to Balut. And that means I'm going to eat Balut. Alright, hold on. We're going to get ready. We'll be back in a minute.
Kunin mo yan. Tinitignan mo yung balut. Ayan.
Yeah, Balut is there. Yeah.
Ayos sila. Yan lang na. Ako na lang, sige. Lagay niya.
The vinegar. Oh,
Tell me I'm ready to eat. Just tell me when we're ready to do it.
yeah.
No, you just fix it the way it's supposed to be fixed. I am ready to eat that sucker. You're going to do it too, right? Oh.
Okay. Hindi, kakain. Oo, dito lang kakainin.
Alright, is that the balloon right there? That's like one of these deals?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it with us? You're so awesome.
You stay there.
Hold on.
You stay
If anybody
there.
doesn't know, this is like an egg with like a chicken inside. What I do? I crack it?
Oh, you should,
What did I do?
yeah, crack the egg.
Okay.
And
Now I
then,
kill the sucker.
yeah, you follow her. You follow
get
her.
this?
Yeah.
Hey, get in a picture here. Hey.
Wait.
Supposed to start eating now?
You
Can I
take,
get this? Get a close up here. Get a close up here, citizen.
yeah, you eat.
God, is that good?
You,
What's this stuff?
you put vinegar. Vinegar.
Hey. Put that baby on there. I get a close up of that. See what that looks like.
Yeah.
We are eating it.
Yummy. Yummy.
I've never had anything quite this delicious.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
What do you put
Yeah.
on there? Does it smell? Hey,
Salt.
what here?
Oh, look at
Love
that.
Balut. Take a look.
Oh my God. Kadiri. Oh my God. You remove the shell.
Umalis
I can eat the shell? You don't eat the shell,
Don't
do you?
eat the shell. No, I mean you remove it.
You eat the shell?
No. You remove the shell.
Mm.
Oh, good. Yeah. Yummy.
All right, close up.
Oh
There
my
you go.
God.
Is this delicious or is this good or what?
Yeah. What? Oh my God. That's the cheek. No.
Oh, here, we got it.
That's the cheek. You
Let me
done?
sitting?
You done? No more.
All right, I think that's it. Hold on, wait. We got a little bit more there. All right, good. That was delicious, actually.
Yummy?
It was yummy.
Are you okay now?
I'm okay. End the film.